Hello, this is 𝐻𝐮𝐞𝐫𝐢𝐞, your speaking examiner, and your test is happening at IELTS Studio. And what's your full name, please?
My full name is Abidatan Rifat.
And what can I call you?
Please call me Rifat.
Okay, Rifat, where are you from?
I have come from Ghazipur. It is short way from capital city of Bangladesh.
Okay, so do you work or study?
Actually, I'm a full-time student. Recently, I have completed my diploma from electrical technology. Now, I'm trying to go abroad for my higher study.
Okay, so let's talk about cakes. Do you like eating cakes?
Of course, I do. I have a sweet tooth. Cakes are my favorite kind of dessert. Eating a slice of cake after meal is heaven on earth.
Okay, so have you ever made a cake yourself?
I still remember I tried my hand a couple of years ago. It was a horrible experience. Recent times I have seen some video on YouTube on baking and have developed my skill in making cake myself.
Did you like cakes when you were a child?
Of course I did. My birthdays were incomplete without yummy cake. In my childhood, I was very fond sweets. As a result, my mother used to bake me cakes.
Do you eat cakes or other sweet things after a meal?
Uh, of, uh, as I have earlier said, I love cakes and I very often take cakes to pleasure my taste buds. Uh, However, when no cakes are available at my home, I end up eating other sweets. Even I cannot pass a single day without tasting sweet items.
Thank you. Thanks for joining the test.